Today is a marvelous day because it's Friday, and that means freedom. No work this weekend. I hope not, actually. Who knows? But, man, I love Fridays. I also love animals. Although she tries to stop me from being productive in many ways by sitting on my lap. Can you get comfortable? And then we get Mrs. Jealousy. Mrs. Jealousy. Are you jealous? Jealous that the cat's on my lap? Oh, look at that mess. Don't look around in here too much. Purely health and fitness studio, baby. Look at that. What a nice studio I got. So I plan on just doing like a random video just about like my life, I guess, and just show you a little bit around. Introduce you to Penny. Here's Penny. So I'm going in this one with absolutely no plan at all. So maybe I'll upload this video, maybe I won't. We'll see. But I'll see where I get with it. So I started my YouTube channel in October. I don't even know what made me decide to start it, but it just looks so fun and something I'd want to do. I love health and fitness, everything. Not saying I'm like bodybuilder central, gonna compete and all that, but I just like providing, you know, some easy tips or just tips for your average Joe Schmo or somebody who just wants to learn something new, something a little bit about what I do, I guess. But I'm really glad that I started my YouTube channel and this whole journey and stuff because I've learned so much and I really, really love doing it. I really love making videos and stuff, and it just makes me so happy. And at first I wasn't going to do it because I'm like, I probably am going to sound like an idiot and people are going to laugh at me and whatever. But you know what? It doesn't matter. You do you. For all of you. The creator life is fun. If you want to start a channel, start a channel. If you want to start doing something creative, do it. Because life's too short and it's super fun once you find like something you really love doing. Ain't that right, Penny? I'm like Dr. Evil here, petting my cat. But I can't believe that I already have, I think, 65 subscribers. That is insane, and I'm so excited about that. I'm not even doing it for like, I don't know. I'm just doing this because I love doing this, but I cannot believe like I have 65 subscribers. At the end of October, I started out with absolutely 0. I think I have a screenshot and I had 1 subscriber and like my channel looked super lame, and like just to see how far I've come is just really exciting for me. I really love doing it. Okay, somebody needs some attention. So my real purpose is just to like inspire people or motivate people or do fun challenges and stuff. Like, I don't know, for example, the 30-day running challenge I did, I always wondered what would happen if I went from like weightlifting to cardio, or like I want to do a challenge where I don't eat meat for a week and just see what happens. I want to do like all these weird things and just use my body as like an experiment, I guess, and show you the results. And I also just want to like share tips that I use or think are important or things that I learn, and then support you guys if you're trying to reach a goal. It doesn't even have to be like gym related. It could just be like positive lifestyle sort of goals. We're all about positivity here. Positivity is contagious, you know. I'm trying to spread that. I'm trying to bring some smiles and brightness into your life and bring some laughs, and I hope to entertain you. Yeah, I got lots of ideas. I'm full of ideas. But I never would have thought I would have started a YouTube channel, but I'm so glad I did because I really like doing it. So try to find something you love doing, and if you've already found that, just enjoy it and have a blast because it's awesome, isn't it? It's so awesome when you find a passion. So my next idea my fiance is a huge fan of this. I want to build a home gym. So I'm gonna take you guys down to the area where I'd like to build a home gym. And I want it done by like next year. But that's wishful thinking. I know it's super expensive. We got a lot of other things on our plate, but it would be awesome if I could have a home gym and like obviously not have to pay gym membership anymore or drive to the gym, but I could record videos there of like what I do exactly for a workout every day, basically. And yeah, I want to show you, so I'll take you on down. Do I get up now though? Because should I disturb the kitty? Should I disturb this little kitty here? She's like when I'm in a meeting, sometimes she tries to jump on my lap and like she always wants to be with me. So I might wait a few minutes till I walk downstairs, just cause kitty's comfy. Alright, here we go. We're going down to the dungeon where the home gym might exist one day. Fingers crossed. And it looks like Gemini's coming. She'd like to join us on this journey, on this tour. This light on so you can actually see down there. And here we go. Oops. Ready? Get ready for this. Remember, this is what I want to make as a home gym someday. I got a lot of work to do. Dun dun dun! Oh God. Man. It's gonna take me quite some time to figure this out and clean it up. Oh, we got another friend. This is my friend Paws. She was recently very sick, but she's healed now. Right? You feel better, kitty? So glad she's okay. This is my first real pet I've ever had in my life. She's only 2. She's a good kitty. But anyways, back to the home gym. So, yeah, if you see, there's really not much room right now to make this a home gym. And I'm actually on concrete floor, so I gotta take all this crap out someday and figure out what type of equipment I need. There's some shelves there. That's gonna be in the way. And more shelves over here. Junk on junk on junk. Just kidding, it's not all junk. It just needs to be organized and sorted. Okay, cat. And then there's some stuff that the people who lived here left behind that we need to go through also. But yeah, so welcome to my future home gym. I hope you like it. I hope you think it's beautiful because it's got a lot of potential here. Just far from where I would like it to be. Maybe someday it'll be complete. I can come down here. I can shut this door right here and just work out. Put in some speakers. You know, it's gonna be a great time. I really want to do it. Is there something I can help you with? You following me? Oh God, I got a stalker. Can I help you? She's cornering me. Oh my God. You know, so the vet gave me some antibiotics to give to my cat because she had a severe upper respiratory infection. So first we took her there, she got a shot, whatever. It wasn't strong enough, we had to bring her back. So he gave us pills to give her. And I'm like, how the heck do you expect me to give my cat a pill? Like, that's impossible. And he basically didn't give me any advice on how to do that. So I had to YouTube it, and basically what you do is you pull their whiskers back and like tilt their head up and drop their chin and then drop a pill in their throat. And then you have to count to 3 and for them to swallow it. And it wasn't very nice. She didn't like it at all, but anyways, I hope you never have to try to give your cat pills because it's not fun. It's such a hassle. So yeah, this video was not very formal, but hope you liked it. Also, my animals love leaving toys all over the stairs and the shreds of the toys. So if you ever come to my house, you might trip and fall down the stairs because it's Toy Central on the stairs. They're trying to kill us. I just want to say thank you for following me or following my journey, whatever it is. I really appreciate it. I've made so many like fitness friends or people into the same thing that I am that I've never met before that have been so supportive and so nice to me, and I'm just so excited and happy. It's a really cool thing to meet people that online that have like that are just willing to like support you and they don't even know who the heck you are. So shout out to you guys, thank you. Also, I just recently sort of been sharing my fitness journey with my personal friends and family. I didn't do it at first because I didn't want to like annoy people or bother people, so I'm kind of just putting it out there as an option for like my personal life if they're interested in that kind of stuff to head on over and join us, you know, my community that I'm trying to build. So yeah, that's basically it. But thank you guys so much. I'm actually surprised with like the amount of people who are like my personal friends and family that are actually interested in my journey and stuff, or who are just interested in health and fitness. So anyways, thanks so much for you guys' support. It means so much to me and I'm so excited, and I plan to just keep trying to get better and better, making better video content for everyone and things that are really interesting or funny or can brighten your life or give you like useful tips that you can use. So if you want to see me do something, let me know. I'm open for suggestions. Otherwise, I do have a huge list of things that I've planned that I would like to do. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and thank you so much. Bye.